Good morning, guys. I think I might have done to this lens what I did to my glasses. I screwed up there's like specks all over the lens from when I, yesterday's video, cut that metal. I guess it shot sparks into the lens and now it's like kind of screwed up. We're setting up the doggo cancel here. Anyways, here's the rear window. Kind of like it, kind of don't. I don't understand why. Maybe one of you could tell me, but I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you can't see it. I don't know why, because we painted the backing, and same thing happened on the side windows too. It's like air bubbles or something, but it's confusing because it's like, hey, if it's painted, why is it doing that? Does the silicone like suck off the paint or something? I don't really get it. Kind of looks shit in my opinion. And like, it looks cool, don't get me wrong, but it just looks really cheap. I did drive it yesterday, felt fast, I guess, but we're just gonna throw in the seat now, set up the harness, and yeah, I don't know, I guess that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna take this car for breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Skylar's to do the exhaust, finally, that all of you hate so much, although I told you guys that it's gonna get changed, it's just temporary, basically trying to make it stick out, maybe like out to here and just kind of slash tips with the oval cut. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and I got this long boy, it's a 3-inch stainless pipe, $50, it's not gonna rust or anything. Done. Explain to you guys what I'm doing. Basically, I want the two pipes like that, and they come out of the car and they come at an angle like this, and then right here will be slash cut so it's flat. I mean, probably easiest way is just to show you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start maybe taking my exhaust off or something. I'm limited on footage, so I didn't record the whole process, but it's flush with the body, so it's probably going to be flush with the side skirt. Once it comes on, it's just going to poke out a tad bit. So we just got to a meet, huge meet. They're usually like giant, so I'm gonna use the last 3 minutes of the footage to capture every car here. There's some dope cars, so see you guys tomorrow. The rest kind of just looks like a dealership.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories.